Hey guys, this is Paul Paquin here at Golden Financial Services. I'm going to show you today the easiest and just the fastest way to get out of credit card debt. And we're going to look at the way to save the most money. And just basically the easiest, simplest way to get out of credit card debt. That's what I'm going to show you today. And this is a way that most people don't know about. Okay, I've done other videos in the past. If you're current on your accounts, you can use a debt consolidation loan and just pay off all your debt, and then you get one low interest loan to pay back. You can use a balance transfer card to consolidate debt. You can use a home equity line of credit to consolidate debt. These are all great options. But today, I want to specifically talk about if you can't afford to stay current on your credit card payments. Okay, you stop paying on the debt, what happens now? Okay, just like how you have car insurance, okay, the banks, the credit card companies, they have banking insurance. And basically, when you stop paying on your credit cards, the bank is going to use their banking insurance to recoup the lost money. So the bank has what's called banking insurance, and on top of that, the bank will use its banking insurance to recoup any money once you stop paying on your credit card bills. But then the credit card company will sell your account to a debt collection company. And they get careless when they do this, okay? Usually they will just sell 200-300 accounts at a time. And they email a spreadsheet with your basic information, your name, your mailing address, your phone number, how much you owe, very basic information. They email this information to the debt collection company, and then the debt collection company buys your debt for sometimes 10 to 20 cents on the dollar. So now at this point, what debt validation, so at this point you have two options. You can settle the debt, we could go in and negotiate, hey, this person owes $1,000, we're willing to offer you $400 if you report it paid in full. The debt collection company may have only paid, like I had said, 10 or 20 cents on the dollar to buy the account, so they're willing to settle at 40%. The problem is that you're going to, the late marks and the collection mark, the stuff that's really killing your credit, that's going to stay on your credit. So even after the debt shows it's been paid, zero balance, it's still going to show your past history. And that past history is very difficult to recover from. You will be stuck with a 500-600 credit score for many years ahead. So instead of settling the debt, knowing that 9 out of 10 times, the debt collection company cannot prove the debt is valid. They either have inaccurate paperwork or they don't have complete records. So what debt validation does is it uses 14 federal laws, and just like if you were to get a speeding ticket and hire an attorney to go ahead and challenge the police officer and try to get that ticket dismissed, 9 out of 10 times, a good attorney will get a speeding ticket dismissed. Just like you get a speeding ticket dismissed, you can also challenge the debt collection company. By law, they must produce complete records and accurate information, including the accounting from the last 5 to 10 years. They have to produce everything from the original accounting, how much you owed when the debt was sold from the original creditor, how much you're owed at the time you opened the account. Everything needs to be produced. Every single monthly statement needs to be produced, and it needs to be accurate. There can't be unauthorized fees added in, and so forth. So we use this program as debt validation. We dispute the debt. They can, to be honest with you, I've never seen them. I'm supposed to say they almost never prove the debt to be valid, but to be honest with you, I've never seen it get proven to be valid in over 6 years that I've been doing this. So your debt is proven to be invalid. Now it gets removed from your credit entirely, and you only pay the program cost. So you don't pay anything on the debt. You can literally walk away from paying the debt and pay a fraction of what you owe in total. This is by far the best route, because on top of everything I've just explained, there's also credit repair included in the program. So when you join, if you have anything negative on your credit, let's say you have some late marks maybe on a car payment from a year ago, everything will get disputed as far as any derogatory information. to see if everything's accurate or not. A lot of times the creditor just won't respond to the dispute, so the negative information comes off your credit, even if it is accurate. So you get the credit repair included. Once the debt is actually proven, it's called invalidated. Once it's legally invalidated, another word for that is just once it's proven to be invalid or legally uncollectible, these are all different ways of phrasing it, at that point, the credit reporting agencies would be the next step that we need to take. So we contact the credit reporting agencies by disputing the negative marks on your credit, and they don't respond because the debt is already proven to be legally uncollectible. So the debt collection company, they can't legally come after you anymore. So at that point, when we dispute it, the debt collection company ignores the dispute and the negative marks come off your credit. It's that simple. Now, as far as you, if you have $10,000 in debt, you could end up paying around $4,500 total cost. So $10,000, now only $4,500. You can spread that out over 18 months. So let's say $10,000 in total debt, you may have been paying about $400 per month. So since $400 per month was not affordable for you, we can lower that amount to $300 per month. Now it's affordable. I mean, I see people paying $1,200 per month on their credit cards, and the payment on that program is only $600 per month. So there's times where the monthly payment you can have cut in half from what you're currently paying. This is by far the best way to save the maximum and address it on your credit as well. So give us a call here at Golden Financial Services at 866-376-9846. And you can visit us online at goldenfs.org. Now, keep in mind, I'm not speaking off a script here, so I'm just giving you the facts as I know them. But if you want to go and read more about this, you can go right on our website, and we have all types of great blog posts. If you go to goldenfs.org/debt-relief-blog, you're going to find so many articles that will teach you exactly what I'm showing you here in this video. So you can learn all about debt validation online. And that's it for today. Have a great day, folks.